Welcome to yet another episode of The Other 167. My name is Dr. Yosef Kale and I am a consultant psychiatrist from India. Today we are going to talk about an important topic that we do in our day-to-day life. And the topic is do not take God for granted. And we'll be learning this from the life of Samson. And it is there in Bible, the Old Testament, Judges chapter 13 to 16. As all of us must be knowing, all of you must have heard the name of Samson, who was the most powerful human to be alive till date. Samson was also a Nazirite. Nazirite means a person whose life is dedicated to God and who is meant for God. But for that, he had to follow one order, that is, he is not supposed to shave or put razor to his hair. And as we see that Samson was there for 20 years, he led Israel for 20 years. So we can see his life must have been around 38 to 40 years if we consider that he started to be as a judge at the age of 18 or 20 years. And many of us believe that his strength was in his hair. But if we think deeply, his strength was not in his hair. It was in the thing that he obeyed the order of the angel or the God that he is not supposed to shave. The Nazirite is not supposed to shave. And following this order is so difficult if we see in today's time. If we don't shave our beard, if we don't cut our hair, they are going to grow very long. So imagine a man of age 20 to 40 years, he's having a long hair, he's having a long beard, and he's carrying all this around. So uncomfortable, but still he was following that. And because he was obeying God, he was having all that strength. But as we see in chapter 16, verse 20, as I read, he awoke from his sleep and thought, I will go out as before and shake myself free. But he did not know that the Lord had left him. Chapter 16, verse 20 tells us a very important thing in the life of Samson. Samson took God for granted. He told his secret to that woman whom he was in love with. Are we taking God for granted? Initially, as we see in Samson, on 2 occasions he was able to set himself free from the Philistines. But the third time he was not able to do that. Because he thought, as the verse says, I will go out as before and shake myself free. He became overconfident. He took God for granted. My dear beloved, today we need to think about what God has given us. God has given us good physical strength to work. God has given us education. God has given us position. He has given us money. Are we taking God for granted? Are we feeling ourselves? Are we thinking that all these things, the physical strength, the education, the money that we have, it's because of us and not because of God? Because if we are going to take God for granted, we might lose our strength as Samson did. So my dear beloved, today's message is do not take God for granted. Pray every day. Read His word every day. Obey His orders every day. Amen.